Hey, what's up, Trend Cloud members? Let's take a look at what we did today. Some people are asking me if the long worked out. So right here, 3-hour chart, well above the zero line on CCI, right? 1-hour chart, well above the zero line. That was all taking place today, right at the very beginning of the open, and then also above the 50 simple on the 1-hour chart. All of our components are met. So look what happened right here. The opening range today was extremely wide. Okay, this is a very wide opening range. I don't really like that, right? Because if you have to drag your stop loss down here, look at that. Okay, that's unacceptable to me. The other thing I didn't like was that we are right below supply. This is the 3-hour supply. Take a look at how I drew it. Let's go out. There you go. Okay, there's your 3-hour supply. Resistance, number 1. Resistance, number 2. And boom, we broke through it. But, you know, at the very beginning of the day, we didn't know what was going to happen. Okay, we didn't know what was going to happen. All we knew is that all of our components were met. What's it look like on the 1-hour here? Okay, look at that. Boom, boom, sideways, breakthrough, okay? So when I saw the breakthrough, I said to myself, all right, what is the best way to play this? I'm going to put this in the course for you guys. When you have all of your components met and you're running right into supply, or the opening range is, you know, very, very wide, take the retest. So this is a perfect example of how you want to take the retest of this opening range here, because we've got supply and a very wide opening range. So instead of taking the breakout, which the breakout worked very nicely, it's probably best to take the retest. And it's fighting us right now. I also put Fibonacci lines on that move, right? From here to here. And I had my original entry right here at the 5, at 50%. We're starting to break below the trend cloud trailing stop loss. Let's see if we can survive this, okay? We've got a ton of momentum and trend on our side, and we just broke through structure. Let's give it some room. We want to keep our risk small. Small risk with big reward. That's called asymmetrical leverage. That's in your 12-module course. So for everybody that's asking me in the chat right now about, hey, is the trade working out? In my book, yeah, it's working out. Look at this rejection candle that we got here. This could legitimately pull back to this 15-minute demand zone, right? Could pull back right here. Here's a 15-minute demand zone, okay? And we also have the previous day's high. As long as we're trading, think about this. If price is maintained above the previous day's high, you've got yourself into a very good trade to the upside, because we're in an uptrend with a ton of momentum on 2 higher time frames. So I'm not getting scared out of this yet. If this pulls all the way back to here, it's going to be quite, you know, painful for us, but I'm going to be maintaining this trade and managing it until it finishes. I want to, you know, definitely finish in the top 10% of this day trading challenge. That was my goal, and we're doing very well. The strategy is sound. It's outperforming buy and hold. We know that it works, and we've got great numbers here. So let's just use the strategy, okay? We're reacting off of this here supply zone, and it's pulling back. The focus on this trade is the retest. And in hindsight, we took the breakout and took a target and then brought our stop loss to break even. It would have been a very quick move, but with all of this momentum, I really want to give this some latitude, okay? I really want to give this a little bit of leeway and see where we come out. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video and keep you updated on this trade.